The director of Tumbad spent 6 years finishing the film. Every frame, every shadow, every sound obsessively crafted. Then he made his next film in a few weeks. That too with just 33,000 rupees. All alone, using only AI. The film is called Man Pishach. But it's not just about films anymore. People are making AI web series in 60-second episodes and they are going crazy viral. Let's say Fruit Love Island. It went from 0 to 3 million follows in just 9 days. 300 total million views made entirely with AI. And if you've been sitting on a story, here's your exact 5-step process to do the same. Step 1. Go to top view and open Drama Studio. Now the link will be in the description down below. Now if you have got a script already, simply just upload it. If not, don't worry. We are going to start from absolute scratch. Hit start from scratch. First thing, we have to select the art style. Is it live action or animation? Now for live action, you have got a lot of options. Modern K-drama, pop dystopia, cinematic realism, whatever vibe you are going for. For this example, I'm picking modern K-drama. Next is format. Is it gonna be single drama or multi-episode? I'm going multi-episode for social platforms. You know, just like Fruit Love Island. Next, we select aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok and Reels or even YouTube Shorts. I'm doing 9:16 because that is the vertical content format. Now for duration, I'm setting episodes at 60 seconds. Now these are short enough to hold attention and long enough to tell a story. Then you can simply pick your language and age rating. I'm doing English and keeping it all ages. Now one thing you really want to turn on is auto review and optimize. This keeps the AI in conversation with you the whole way through. It's not just generating stuff and walking away. It's actually working with you, asking questions, refining things. Don't worry, you're still in control. Now once that's done, hit confirm and start creating. Step 2, building your story. You will see tabs at the top now. There's outline and script, characters, environment and props. So we are going to start with outline and script. Right now, I literally have no idea yet. So I will just type, give me ideas. Interestingly, the AI spits out 6 story concepts based on everything you just said. The art style, the format, the tone, and the structure. Now, it's not pulling random stuff. It's completely tailored. From this, I will pick this one. The second I choose one story, the AI will start expanding it. I get target audience, story direction, logline, hook, character dynamics, basically the whole foundation. And you can still change anything. Nothing is really locked. Now after this, I will hit generate outline. And this is where the magic lies. Few minutes later, boom, 12 episodes, each one broken down with story beats, emotional arcs, and cliffhangers. The AI reviews them to keep everything aligned with your original direction. This is your series Bible. Step 3. Creating your visual world. Now next we work on the characters, locations and props. I will hit generate and the AI starts building everything at once. Be the characters, the environments, objects, all in parallel. Now once it's done, you've got full descriptions for every character, location and props in your story. You can generate character images one by one or all at once. I'm gonna select generate all character images. Now the default model is Nano Banana. Then I will move to environment and generate all the locations. And you can follow the same step for props. I'm gonna simply now wait for it to finish. Maybe grab some coffee while it happens. Okay, now I've got solid character references and the environment is also locked and props also done. Now this completes our visual foundation. Step 4, writing the actual script. Now let's get back to outline and script. I'm just doing episode 1 for this tutorial. You can generate all 12 at once. I know, it's crazy, right? But I'm keeping it quite simple in this one. Right now it says the script's incomplete. That's because we got the outline, the structure, but not the dialogue, the scene descriptions and pacing. I hit generate script for episode 1 and wait for a while. Oh wow, only a few minutes later, the full script drops. Plus, it also gives a beat map. The AI is broken it into narrative bits that guide the pacing, the emotional flow, the dialogue, the transitions. By the way, this is your shooting script. Step 5, turning script into video. Now is the time that I jump into video production. Now, every scene's already prepped. The system auto-generates prompts for each scene based on the script, beat map, character references and environments. Now these prompts feed the video model. Now here we have two options, storyboard first or straight to the video. I'm doing storyboard first because it gives a preview before final render. I generate storyboards scene by scene, review them, then add them to the references. Now this will log the visual direction for the final generation. Once the storyboards are solid, I pick the video model of my choice, adjust duration based on the bitmap and hit generate video. Now the system starts processing all in background. You can watch scenes generate one by one inside the production panel, and that's it. That's the full pipeline. Okay, so the first episode is cooked. Let's see what it has generated.
Can I help you? I live here. Funny. So do I. Brilliant. Notting Hill.
W11 2PT, second floor, yes.
How is that physically possible?
Right, okay, so Prescott and Val?
Already dialing. Hi, this is Mara Chen calling about voicemail.
Voicemail since 11, 3 messages, none back.
What about the deposit?
Non-refundable.
I hate him.
Cheers. Right, since neither of us is leaving tonight,
Don't.
we could at least not hate each other.
I'm Mara.
Jess, seeing someone at the moment, bloke called Callum actually. Want to see? He's very... Do you know him?
Define no.
Quite impressive, right? Alright, that's the full pipeline, and here's what to do with it right now. Open Drama Studio, link is in the description down below. Now, don't think about the full series yet. Just go through the setup and let the AI generate story concepts for your genre. Honestly, I'm out of time in this video. There's a lot more to cover. By the way, if you're trying to figure out how to actually build a career in video editing from 0 to 2 lakh a month, how to go from video editor to motion designer, get better clients, and using AI to work faster instead of getting replaced by it, watch this video right here.